ka-rider. Ang araw po ngayon, Sunday. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Motovlog. Magpapa-FI cleaning po tayo ng motor natin. Overall, FI cleaning tsaka CVT. 1,400 po yung babayaran natin para sa FI cleaning. Kasama na po yung ano doon, change oil. Ilibay na po isang langis 1 liter sa 1,400. Schedule po natin alas 8 po ng umaga. Kaso 7:56 pa, sarado pa po. Tapos marami na po nag-aabang para magpa-ayos ng motor nila. Aring na po kami dito ngayon. Naghihintay na bumukas ang Motovlog. Ganun kasikat po ang Motovlog, mga ka-rider. Kaya kayo, kung gusto nyo magpa-cleaning po dito, punta lang po sa Motovlog. Dito lang sa Laon Street along Condiman. So check natin mamaya yung paano sila maglinis ng motor ko NMAX. So balikan ko kayo mamaya, guys. Ayan na mga ka-rider, nag-open na po sila. So, hintayin po natin tawagin yung mga pangalan natin. Schedule naman tayong alas 8. So, tingnan natin kung mauna tayo o mamaya pa. Okay, guys.
A few moments later.
Morning, sir. Bablog ko to. Kaya po mga ka-rider, sinalang na po yung motor natin po. Meron po tayong Tigerman service report.
A few moments later.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll
ito nga pala si Sir Mark, ang gumagawa ng motor. Kamusta kayo sa Pilipinas? Ano yung araw na po namin ngayon? Enjoy ko namatay, hindi na enjoy ko.
Madumi na po yung throttle body. 36,000 odo. F5 ko po, marumi na rin. 36,000 odo. Okay. So, ito po yung luma kong spark plug. Papalitan po ulit siya ng NGK na spark plug. Bago na po siya. Okay. Okay na po yung motor ko. Ganyan na yung biyahe. Nice na. Mark, ulitin natin. Sir Ryan.
Yes po, maraming salamat po sa pagtitiwala. Balik na rin ito ng motor ni Sir.
Sir Mark, maraming salamat Sir Mark ha. Okay.
Bakit yung mga nakakari?